Hi, this is Group 4 here. In this video I will be introducing you a new future product. But first of all, please allow me to introduce my group member. In our group we will have David Ong Lipway as the leader, and for the member we have Hia Kai, Li Tong Yuan, and Li Ji Cheng. So, now let's get started our topic. Recently, due to there is a rise of cases for COVID-19. Our government had implemented a new app, My Sigitera, to prevent further spread of COVID-19. Although it has some effect, but some users, especially old folks and kids, facing problems, like having issues in scanning the My Sigitera QR code. And this causes the accuracy of the apps reduced. With this, we propose this method to solve this issue, that our identity card with RFID tags. You probably wonder what RFID tags are, right? RFID tags are a sort of global positioning framework that utilizes keen standardized tags to distinguish things. RFID is another way to say radio frequency identification. And all things considered, RFID labels use radio frequency innovation. These radio waves send information from the tag to a reader, which then at that point, communicates the data to the system in order to trace citizen footprint. RFID tags are frequently used for merchandise. But they can also be used to track vehicles, pets, and even patients with Alzheimer's disease. Other than that, RFID tags can store more information of citizens than normal chip, and it enable identification of an object from a distance without requiring a swipe card. It turns the passive way into an active way. So, until here, maybe you will be asking what kind of new service our product supported. The first and most important service is RFID track. It trace digital footprints of citizens will be recorded. For example, citizens may leave the city, visit public places like stores and malls, or use public transportation. All of these will have the recording of digital footprints. Therefore, it played a big role in the current epidemic situation and helps the government to prevent any possible spread of the COVID-19. Besides that, it also supports the service of RFID and Go. If you look over the identity card, you will find that there will be a word RFID and Go on the card. Yes, our identity card can be used for tolls and bus rides without any more touch. It is because it can be linked with your credit card. So, just walk into the public transportation like Rapid KL and find a place to sit. It will automatically charge the money. And also, it will make our life simpler and easier. Next, we will talk about the benefits of our product. The first one will be auto-tracking. During the epidemic, some of our country's citizens are too lazy to pick up the phone and scan the QR code. So, with our product's service of RFID track, it will be auto-tracking the citizen's trace, in order to help the government to stop the spreading of the COVID-19. In addition, with RFID track, it also will reduce cases of criminals in our country and also provide a safer environment to our citizens. Apart from that, the next benefits of our product are eco-friendly. It is because the material used is 100% recycled PVC. Meanwhile, it is also lightweight and durable because of PVC. Last but not least, our product will be faster and more efficient compared to the old version. This is because of the RFID tag do not need the touch behavior to swipe card anymore. It will save time from it and be more efficient to handle the request of a user. The last topic I would like to talk about is the element of IR 4.0 in our product. Automation is the first element of the Industry Revolution 4.0 that will involve the product being renovated. Due to the passive RFID tag, we chose for embedding in the card, and because human interference was not required, the whole process is automated as shown in the picture. Tags inside cards will wait for reader signals to activate. Radio waves traveling through them from the antenna will be received by the tag's internal antenna. Afterward, the energy is transferred to the integrated circuit, which produces a signal transmitted through the radio frequency system. The next element in our product is Internet of Thing, which is also known as IoT. The purpose of tracking a citizen's footprint must be accomplished by installing numerous devices in the public to maintain data accuracy. There are a number of daily visitors to public sites such as landmarks and shops, so those areas must be monitored. There are some sensor or IoT devices that call the reader to receive the signal produced by the antenna from the RFID passive tag. As the figure illustrates, the passive tag, which is embedded in the citizen's identification card, will be detected when they enter the read zone and be returned to the reader. In order to accomplish this, the citizen's tracks had to be used as input data to the system with the IoT technology. The third element in our product is the cloud. Cloud computing is necessary for this product. The data will be transferred to a cloud server through the internet, via wireless once the signal returns from the tags. Databases or servers connected to the cloud services will hold this data. Since it is impossible to set the server at every reader, it relies on cloud computing. The related department from the government can access the data collected for analysis or observation purposes via the platform. Utilizing this element can save a great deal of money. The last element I would like to introduce in our product is data analytics. A great deal of data will be generated if the tracking system is successfully deployed with the renovated Malaysian identity card, since there are a great many citizens in Malaysia. The element of big data analytics is needed. This is due to the volume of unstructured data that is collected and stored in the system. Using large amounts of raw data, data analytics uncovers trends, patterns, and correlations that can be used to make data-driven decisions. A database will be built in the system in order to store the RFID data generated and analyze it later. Data collected will be used to track the citizen's traces and be analyzed to understand the user's behavior when needed.